All right, we're in early warning weather alert mode as the threat exists for thunderstorms this afternoon that could be strong to severe, producing gusty, damaging wind, also some large hail, and in the region cannot rule out some isolated tornadoes. Currently, early warning pinpoint Doppler, it is scanning clear, but that will likely change in a dramatic fashion as we head through the afternoon. And look at the temperature spread here in the noon hour from 62 in Putnam to nearly 80 in southwestern Connecticut, currently 70 in Hartford. So again, it's all about this boundary that's going to set up across southern New England. As we head through the afternoon, that will be the focal point for these thunderstorms that could reach severe limits. Dew point values a little bit lower in the northeastern part of the state, but we're heading into the low and mid 60s throughout western and southwest Connecticut. So we've seen a lot of cloud cover this morning. The clouds are eroding, giving way to sunshine. That's going to help to further destabilize the atmosphere there. You can see some of the breaks in the clouds from Hartford as well as from Waterbury, taking it into New Haven, looking out across the sound. A bit of a cloudier scene there, but certainly some breaks as we look live from New London. So we've seen a few showers, some rounds moving through southern New England this morning from northwest to southeast. We're currently tracking around Albany, another cluster of thunderstorms, again, right along a boundary separating some cooler air across New England from some much warmer and unstable air west and southwest from there. So again, up to 90 already in the nation's capital, and also to our southwest is where those dew point values are up to oppressive levels that help to further make the atmosphere ripe for thunderstorms to develop. So here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook again for today. Again, it's all about that boundary separating the more stable air and that front trying to make its way farther into Connecticut. So we're going to be monitoring that this afternoon as far as how far it progresses into our state. But certainly the greatest threat as you head southwestward across the state, if it works farther to the northeast, we'll be monitoring that threat as it progresses in that direction. So futurecast at noon here at the 12 o'clock hour and points thereafter, tracking storms developing to our northwest, further developing as we head through the course of the afternoon. You can see the yellows, the oranges, and the reds indicating that threat for those storms to reach severe limits. As we head towards the 8 o'clock and points thereafter, the threat should diminish with a little clearing getting place overnight, and then throughout the day tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. While most of the day will be dry, there could be a late day storm off to our west that works into Connecticut as we head toward sunset. So with regard to Laura, Category 1 hurricane now again lifting from Louisiana into Arkansas. You can see the big red box there indicating the tornado threat. Here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center, moving north of Little Rock by early tomorrow morning, then eventually over West Virginia, and then by Saturday, 8 p.m., passing to the south of Connecticut is just some remnant moisture. But that's when a cold front that's going to be approaching could bring some of that moisture up here into southern New England. So here's a look at Futurecast showing as we head Friday night to Saturday morning. We've got another kind of warm front situation where there could be some thunderstorms to start early Saturday, and then the steady, perhaps heavier rain comes in Saturday afternoon into Saturday night, and then it's out of here over the second half of the weekend. So in our 7-day forecast, mid-80s tomorrow with, again, a late day shower or storm threat, and then for Saturday, rain and thunderstorms, especially some steadier, heavier rain that could lead to some poor drainage flooding Saturday evening, Saturday night. Sunday, the pick of the weekend, upper 70s, less humid, dry. And then as we head into early next week, a beautiful start on Monday, upper 70s, with some chances of rain increasing late Tuesday into Wednesday of next week for shoreline highs near 80 both days.